guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting the channel. So today guys, I'll be talking about the Nature's Secret face cream. So guys, this face cream, this is okay, let me show you guys the cream I'm talking about. This is it here. I'm sure so many of you know about this face cream already. If you don't, sit back and let me tell you about it, although my personal experience though. So this is Nature's Secret. It's mostly written in French, which I cannot read French, so I'll just show you guys what it is. It's written in French. I think they have some part that is written in English. So guys, I got two. So what happened is that I was using this face cream. I think the last face cream I used was what's the name again? I don't think it's Innisfree. I think it's Innisfree. So that one was out of stock. I couldn't get it anymore, and I was looking for something more affordable. I don't want to be buying and you know, the cream things are getting more expensive these days, so I don't want to buy something I'll buy today I won't be able to afford or buy tomorrow. So I was looking for a very good face cream that is not expensive at the same time. So that got me to this one. This is this Nature's Secret face cream. So that was why I bought this Nature's Secret. And before now, I used to think that anything I buy, anything that is, if it's not expensive, then I don't think it will work. I used to have that mentality before, like if it's not expensive, I don't think it will work. But like really, those things that are not expensive, sometimes they are the products that will give you the best. Like, I mean it. I was using this expensive face cream before. The face cream was not like really, it's expensive to me though, like 6,000. I've bought a face cream for 6,000 naira. I've bought a face cream for 7,000, and this one is like, guys, this face cream is doing like more. What I couldn't get in those ones, I'm getting it in this one. So even that take me back to when I used to use product like that, and I use expensive creams. So I have someone that doesn't even use like the way I buy expensive cream. Like, but if you see her skin is even more finer than me that uses expensive things. So this time around I said, okay, let me even try these things and see how it goes. So this is, I bought the first one. Let me see the one that is the first one here. I bought the first one and I loved it, guys. I loved it. This is it. It's out. This is the first one I bought, and this is the second one. I'm on the second bottle right now. So this is the first one I got, and we're using this cream. I don't know if I will give it to the soap as well, though I'm not this cream. This face cream will not get all the credit, but you know, sometimes when you're using a cream, no matter what you're using, you might not be getting the result, even if you're using other good things, but the cream might be spoiling your face or something. So what am I trying to say? I'm not going to give it all to this cream. I'm going to give it to the face soap I'm using and the scrub I'm using as well. And I have this scrub and soap I'm talking about, and I've been using it before, so, and it's very okay on me. And I've tried it with one cream like that, one face cream, and it didn't go well. So I knew the fault was from that face cream, not from my soap and scrub. So while using this one, and everything is fine, and it's even giving me more vibes and giving my face more freshness, I knew this face cream is a good one. So using this face cream, I didn't get no pimples. There's something I'm using now. Like, I wanted to try something that's got my face bad. I don't know, I'm full of trying things. I just want to try this and this. But guys, if you get something and you get something, a face cream, and it's working fine for you, just stick to it. You don't need to be testing this and testing that. But you know me, I'm always trying to look for what is best for my skin. This is doing good. I want something that will do better than this one. So, but it didn't go well with that one. So, but I'm back to using this one now, because I actually stopped for a while, but I'm back. This is the second one, and I still have some amount left here, so I'm back using this one now. And one thing I love about this face cream is that I didn't get any like no dark spot. The dark spot I had, it cleared them, clear dark spot, but it's not a whitening or a lightening face cream. I know in somewhere in the pack here they wrote something like that. I don't think they wrote it in French. Okay, they say lightening cream. I didn't really see the lightening effect of this face cream. I'll just say it just brighten up my face. That is all I got from this. But it says precious, this precious or what? Precious lightening cream, dark spot corrector. That dark spot, it really clears dark spot, but I think it's more faster compared to other creams, face cream that I've used that claim they clear dark spots. Those ones I've reviewed them before, they do clear dark spot, but it takes time. But I think this one is more faster. Like the dark spot was clear, my face was smooth. Like if I'm using a product that is not working, I'll see the how I know a product that is not for me. I'll start getting this what's it called, I'm looking for the word, discoloration. Yeah, I'll start having some part of my face will start becoming maybe lighter. This place, that's when I know that's particular thing I'm using at that. So guys, this is Nature's Secrets. Okay, they wrote some parts here in English. It said thanks to its unique vegetable composition, this care is a real dark spot corrector with multi-action. It's actually I see that it's actually a dark spot corrector. If you have dark spots, this would go well for you, but you have to try again and see. Like I do say in all my videos, skincare is not one size fits all. If you try and it didn't work for you, just try and look for something else. That doesn't mean the product is not working. I'm talking about this product alone. I'm talking about every other product you might try. If you're using a particular product and it's not working for you, that doesn't mean the product is not good. I'm not talking about organic people. I'm talking about products you buy in the cosmetic shop, those branded products, you know. So if you're using it and it didn't work for you, it's not working for you, you can try to get something else. Don't say that one because it didn't work for you, it's not a good cream. Like I've have so many cream I've reviewed here that is not working for me, and I have somebody else using it and it's doing great on their skin. So this is so you have to try this as well. If it works for you, fine, stick with it. It's a nice face cream. So it says it participates actively in cell renewal. It discolors naturally your spots. It's standardized your complexion and maintains the elasticity of your skin to everyday life. It also penetrates the appearance of new patches of color. Okay, the rest are written in French. So guys, this face cream, I bought it for 2,750. I think the price is now high. It wasn't like this before, but maybe when they were selling it cheaper, I didn't really buy it. And another thing is that I used to think this face cream is a bleaching cream. Like, do you know why I think I have that feeling, or I think so? Before I started my before I went into organic skincare, like organic skincare formulation, the first thing I learned, which I wasn't even aware, I was like, okay, I want to do skincare, I want to learn skincare, I want to learn how to formulate, I want to know how to make these things. The first people I approach in this business were people that are doing pro mixing, and then I believe that everything pro mixing is the thing. Like I didn't know there is something they call organic, where they are natural things, natural product that you can use to make your face, to make every other thing without adding anything, without bleaching your skin. So that's the first people I came across. They do pro mixing. Whenever they are pro mixing their product, this product is there. So I was not thinking, if they can use this thing to pro mix, that means maybe it's a bleaching cream, but it's not a bleaching cream. Like I tried using it on its own. What they do is that they get it and add other things to it to make it more active. This thing has an oil which they use, like when we make black soup. When you're pro-mixing black soup or something, you add that oil in it. So I was thinking that oil is a bleaching oil. Like that oil is not even bleaching anything. And I've used it. I've used the oil. I also tried it with a lotion, guys. I'm going to show you guys that video. I'm going to do a review for you guys. It was really nice. Not really there, but it was okay. So guys, I think this is that will be all for today. So this is it here. This is the Nature's Secret argan. I think is this one has argan oil. I don't know if they have the lightening one, the one with carrot. I've seen the one with carrot in their lotion and soap and oil, but I've not seen it in the face cream. So if you've used this face cream before, let me know in the comment section, how is it on you? Like, did you like it? Did you get the result? Did you get value for your money? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how it is or was on your skin. So like, this cream is not a lightening cream. Maybe with continuous usage you will see the lightening effect, but for me this is my second bottle like right now, and I'm not really seeing the lightening effect, but I love what it's doing for my face. Like, it's giving me the freshness, the smoothness, the dark spots is going, no pimples coming out, and my no too color, no discoloration, and a little bit is, I would say, brightening effect. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Anything that will just make my skin fresh and look nice, I'm okay. But if you, I think with continuous usage, you will get the lightening effect of it. But for now, all I have got from this is that fresh face and brightening effect. So thank you guys. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.